يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تكونوا كالذين كفروا وقالوا لإخوانهم إذا ضربوا في الأرض أو كانوا غزا لو كانوا عندنا ما ماتوا وما قتلوا ليجعل الله ذلك حسرة في قلوبهم والله يحيي ويميت والله بما تعملون بصير.
Believers, do not be like those who disbelieved and said to their brethren who met some suffering in the course of journey or fighting, had they remained with us, they would not have died nor been slain. Allah makes such thoughts the cause of deep regrets in their hearts. For in truth, it is Allah alone who grants life and deals death. Allah sees all that you do.
وَلَئِن قُتِلْتُمْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ أَوْ مُتُّمْ لَمَغْفِرَةٌ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرَحْمَةٌ خَيْرٌ مِّمَّا يَجْمَعُونَ.
If you were to be slain or to die in the way of Allah, then surely Allah's forgiveness and mercy are better than all the goods that people amass.
وَلَئِن مُتُّمْ أَوْ قُتِلْتُمْ لَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُحْشَرُونَ.
Were you to die or be slain, it is to Allah that all of you will be mustered.
فَبِمَا رَحْمَةٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ لِنتَ لَهُمْ وَلَوْ كُنتَ فَظًّا غَلِيظَ الْقَلْبِ لَانفَضُّوا من حولك فاعف عنهم واستغفر لهم وشاورهم في الأمر فإذا عزمت فتوكل على الله إن الله يحب المتوكلين.
O Prophet, it was thanks to Allah's mercy that you were gentle to them. Had you been rough, hard-hearted, they would surely have scattered away from you. So pardon them and pray for their forgiveness and take counsel from them in matters of importance. And when you are resolved on a course of action, put your trust in Allah. Surely Allah loves those who put their trust in Him.
إن ينصركم الله فلا غالب لكم وإن يخذلكم فمن ذا الذي ينصركم من بعده وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
If Allah helps you, none shall prevail over you, and if He forsakes you, then who can help you? It is in Allah that the believers should put all their trust.